Moodle is also a great place for you to add your photographs. So if you've been on a college trip and you've got numerous photographs that you want to make available to your students, or if you have any other photographs that are relevant to your students, then I'm going to show you how you can add those to your Moodle course. And to start with, we're just going to have a look at the photographs, the images. So I've got them here. These are just the default images that come with Microsoft XP. So I'm just going to use those as an example. First thing I'm going to do is to zip them. So I'm going to right click, send to compressed zip folder. So notice how that now appears. These have been duplicated, but they've been, and then you can see this sort of little zip icon here. What this allows us to do is to upload these images all in one go, as opposed to uploading them one by one. So it's a real time saver. So now what I'm going to do is to upload them from my computer to Moodle, and I'm going to do that by clicking on the Files link, and then I'm going to click Upload a File and Browse, and here we go. So this is the one that I want, the one that has the zip icon next to it. So I'm going to open that and upload this file. So what's happening now is the files are being copied from my desktop to my computer. Now here we go. So the first thing is it comes in as a zip file. So the first thing we need to do is to unzip them. So I just click unzip and I click OK. And notice how an unzipped version now appears within my files area. So for housekeeping purposes, I'm just going to delete this. We no longer need it. And just click yes. So this is the important thing here, our Microsoft Images folder. I'm going to go back to my course, and what I need to do now is to turn editing on. So I'm just going to do that, click turn editing on, and then here in this drop down menu I'm going to select add a Lightbox Gallery. So once I've done that, I'm going to give it a name. This is the name that the students will see. So it needs to be relevant to whatever the images are. For this example, I'm just going to call it Microsoft Images. Just select that. And okay, so I'm fine with that. Now this is the important bit where it says directory. What we're looking for now is the Microsoft Images folder. And here it is. So I just select that and then I click Save and Return to Course. Now in this example we can see that this is grayed out. Now what that means is that students will not be able to see this. If I just switch roles to student role, you can see that students can't see that. However, when I go back to my normal role, I can. So I'm going to turn editing back on, and I'm just going to click on this little eye icon. Now we can see that that is much stronger. When I go back to student role, you can see that that is that both students and staff can see that. So if you ever have that, then simply just click on the eye icon. So you click on it once and it will show it, click on it again and it will hide it. So now let's have a look and see what our images look like. So here we go. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Images, and we are now looking at the Lightbox Gallery. And the great thing is I can just click on one of these images and it comes up, and I can now just click through, and yeah, and that's it. So this is a really great way in order to make photographs or images available to your students using the Lightbox Gallery.